what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are bringing another Halloween look for you guys. Only this time, I'm actually going to take the time out of my day to follow a Halloween tutorial. And whose tutorial am I following? Nikkietutorials! She's so great at tutorials, and I thought I'd follow one of her previous tutorials that she posted last year during her Halloween week, and yeah, but here's the twist. We're gonna drink throughout the process. So the drunker that I get, the better my makeup skills I should get, right? Well, let's find out. Alright, so God, the queen of makeup is gonna show me how to do a Halloween look. Oh, we shall see how well I do. Ooh, I don't know. It's kind of intimidating. This is like one of her iconic like Halloween looks, so.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Welcome to Halloween Day 3. I can't believe we are nearing the midst of Halloween.
Well, I can't either.
That out. I might have to tweak that a little bit to
okay.
my not so flattering face. Okay, let's see. Yeah, good. So we're slanting down here.
Slanting down here, okay.
Across
the brow, okay.
This kind of goes straight down. I kind of want to be able to highlight the tip of my nose, so I'm going to go straight down the middle. Center of lip.
Oh wait, you're moving too fast!
Okay.
Shit, Nikki, I can't keep up!
Oh. Yeah. Okay, so I think that should about do it. Of course, we can tweak it in the end, but we're going to focus on this part of the face.
Whoa! I really cannot draw a straight line to save my life. What? Oh my god. Embarrassing. My mother would be so proud. She always knew I could never draw in the straight line.
Foundation, primer, concealer. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Oh my god. Okay, bye, Sean. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye.
Strong, independent woman that doesn't need Shawn Mendes in her life. Alright, so
okay.
for foundation, I'm gonna make a mixture of Lancome, Teint Idol, Osram Vert. I also put an amount of foundation on my head that could cover a city. You got plans tonight? Sure do.
Okay, well, we don't have that foundation, but what we do have is La Maybelline Jovan 24-hour leave-on Maybelline and the color 220 natural beige. Did she prime her face first? I didn't see her prime. Oh, no, she just went ahead and powdered up. Oh, okay, Nikki.
That part of the mask. Now,
okay.
Of course, you want to try and stay inside the lines.
Okay.
But, you know, if that fails, that's fine. You know, that's what makeup remover wipes are for. But if you just, like,
I ran out.
kind of keep the shape going so you kind of know what you're working with, that'd be great. I'm just coaching myself through this entire video. So if you see me
I'm just coaching myself through life.
Which is pretty much every day, I'm coaching myself.
Girl, I'm coaching myself through life every day.
All right, for concealer.
Wait, you're moving too fast. Nikki, you're moving too fast. I can't keep up. Hold on. Oh, I went out of the line. Damn it. Ah. Oh. This makes me want to sing the Phantom of the Opera is here. Inside your mind, he's there. The Phantom of the Opera. Purred me.
Chiffon.
Okay, well, we don't got that, but what we do got is
save some money on jouet.
what we do got is Tarte Shape Tape in the style light, just light. Okay, where's she putting that at?
You can.
The forehead.
Code Nikki at checkout.
I don't have a code for this one, so you can just use code
of course.
nothing.
Set using my Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline in 05.
Wait.
And for the rest of the fat.
God, Nikki, I can't keep up with you. We're gonna go into Siate Extraordinary when we're moving so fast. I can't even keep up. Set the face. Did she set her whole face? Look at she set her whole face. We're just gonna, we're gonna set my whole face. Yo, this line work though, I tell ya, it is superb. And what is that? What is that? That looks like a booger in my eye. What is that?
Okay, that part was easy. So now
Well,
I feel like we should go all out.
Okay.
This is the part where we want to make the mask look like a mask.
Uh-huh.
So when you want to do really extreme brows, this is the time.
Okay, come again, what?
Super, like, extreme, colorful, bright eyes, super, like, intense and dramatic. Now is the time. Yesterday I had such a good brow day in yesterday's video that I want to mimic that again, so let's try. So I'm starting off by
God damn it. I'm not even ready.
and brushing the hairs down and drawing a line on the top.
Fuck, Nikki, I can't keep up. Hold on. We're just gonna do this.
Filling in the rest of the brow. A brow gel to lift and sculpt.
You're on brow gels?
After this, we're going in with a felt tip marker, brow pen thingy, and really draw in those individual hairs. And lastly, carving out with concealer. I'm loving life right now. We're zooming through this because I only have to do one side.
No, you're zooming through this, not me. I'm struggling to keep up.
Fact.
Oh, ad.
Teeth, unlike ordinary whitening toothpaste, Colgate Optic White has
Who puts ads on videos? That's so annoying.
Surface.
First time here on my channel. Welcome.
Oh,
I'm
shit.
honored to have you here, the base. So, don't set. I'm going in with this certified
Don't set.
tropical blenders palette, and this has got amazing bright colors.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go in with the color Bermuda.
Okay, well I don't got that, but I got my James Charles Artistry Morphe palette, so we're gonna do things with this.
I'm sticking that on
That's like a
the
teal.
outer part of my crease right here.
Okay, this is gonna be like a.
Oh, that's a beautiful color. You definitely don't want to take it in towards the inner part of the crease because I'm saving that for different colors. And now you just want to take the brush and kind of start doing soft circular motions at the edge. And just like magic, just like magic, the sort of the harsh line, the harsh edge will kind of like blur out. And surprise, you are now blending your shadows. Going in with this minty shade called Fruit Dove.
Well, we don't have minty. We don't.
Against the skin. And right on that edge, I'm doing left and right motions.
But we do have green.
More color to blend out even more. On the inner part of the crease, I'm using this toucan color, this sort of yellowy toned orange.
Wait.
In there.
Wait. You are moving way too fast. I cannot keep up. Okay, toucan color. I don't have toucan, but I have this. Okay.
Pulling that color on. Ooh, we're colorful today.
Ooh,
And then
we
start
are.
doing those soft circular motions.
Circular.
So that comes out a lot more yellow than I anticipated. So I'm going in with a
Mine's
brighter
orange. Wait, a brighter orange.
Yes. And in the center, we're doing the pink.
Wait, pink.
We're cutting the crease.
Oh, wait, hold on. Bitch, you just went real dark. Hold on. When the hell did your eye go really dark over here? Okay, well, hold on. Okay, Nikki, God, this looks stupid. You know what? We're gonna cut the crease, Nikki. I can't keep up. Okay, wait, what'd you use to cut the crease with? Oh, you just went like this. Okay. Well, that ain't a look on a cut crease. I don't know what is. Cat eye. That's a cat eye look. One, tap it out, tappy, 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 tap, tap, tap. Tappy, tap, tap, tap. Oh, well, shh. Darn, damn. Okay, wait, back into the palette we go. Hold on. You set it with the powder? What powder did you set it with? Nikki, I need you to talk to me. We can't do this together if you don't tell me what you're doing.
Okay, I am living for this. Okay, now I'm gonna line underneath using some neon liners.
Where'd your yellow come from?
Okay, and I just want a tiny black wing to sort of ground the lash line, but I want the rest to really focus on the colorful crease and liner.
Hold on, Nikki. I got liner. Your girl got liner. All right, so she did a yellow liner and then she did an orange liner. So we're gonna do a yellow and then an orange liner. So yellow. Maybe help my slant my eye a little bit. This keeps breaking. What kind of color pop crap is this? It's the second time I use this and this thing has just completely just poof. Okay, yeah, that's lined. Sure, looks great to me. Lined up to me. Mm-hmm. Now let's just do the one thing you're not supposed to do. Oh, that's a look. That's, you know what, Nikki? I'm improving your look right now. Like, you wish you had this technique. You know, I wanted her thicker. Like, I didn't want a thin line. I wanted a thicker line. Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. Nikkietutorials, watch out. I'm coming for you.
All right, now let's focus on the bottom.
Hold on.
I'm gonna implement those.
When did you get the shimmer? When did you get the shimmer? God, on whatever this is my retro rose gold. We're gonna go ahead and put the shimmer on right here. You didn't tell me you were putting on this little step. Oh, because you know that I'm gonna be better than you. So you were just trying to outsmart me. Well, guess what, Nikki? Can't outsmart a genius. Oh, this is a look. This is a look right here. I should just end it right here. I don't even need her tutorial. I already know what I'm doing. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, we're now gonna go pink under the eyes, guys. I don't even need Nikki to tell me that. Pink.
You know, I definitely want to let you decide for yourself what kind of colors you feel comfortable with. Like, even if you just want to do like a wing liner or like a neutral cut crease with this, that's fine too. But just for fun and just because I think color really tells a story, I'm going all out, baby. Opening up the inner corner using
me too.
a white liner.
Now we're using white liners. Okay.
Time for some lashes. And
Nikki, I could do a white liner right here. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. White liner. So
some rhinestones, and then we can finally focus on finishing this mask. Alrighty, so the eye look and brow.
Okay, you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rhinestones, and thanks to Mikey, I have some rhinestones. So let's go ahead and put on a lash.
Are done, and now let's focus on cheeks, and then we're going to start the shading of the mask. So of course I'm going to start off by bronzing my skin using my Jouer Bronzing Duo. And I'm just going to start from outside the mask and then work it in, and then I make sure that the blend is like I always have it. And then I'll just wipe away everything outside of the mask later on.
Ooh, that's...
Up the nose.
Oh, we're doing the nose.
Same goes for blush. Just like you always do it. Or maybe a little bit more if you don't do it a lot usually. And then it's time to highlight. And I think highlighting is really going to pull this one together.
Yes.
So you want to do it on the tip of the nose. Really focus on that cheek and make it really. For lips, I'm going to line to make it dramatic. Alright, so time to focus on detailing the mask. First, I'm going to wipe away the makeup that went outside of the mask.
First, hold on. Celebrity skin first.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is making me so excited. So now we're going to shade in.
While it's 4 shades visibly whiter.
Pro.
8 optic white. Light.
Pro.
In the depth. And you can kind of already see it happening here, how a natural shadow is forming. You just want to intensify the shadow along the corner.
Okay, what do you want me to use?
And really create some depth here. Okay, I'm going to start off.
Nikki, what are you using? You didn't tell me. You didn't tell me. Hold on. Wait, where's my brush?
And placing the brush right against that line.
Listen, you're supposed.
Okay, 7 hours later, after shading all around the mask, you want to go in with a face powder and kind of control it because now it looks like dirt. Just grabbing your face powder and softly coming into that shadow to taper it out and not make it as broad.
Wait, Nikki, hold on, wait.
And then with the white, I'm gonna highlight just at the border, but staying inside of the mask to create this sort of like over the border effect.
Okay, so wait, where'd you go with this? Okay, so you know what? I don't have like what you have, so we're just gonna use we're gonna use my white powder. So what you went on the inside. Okay, we're just gonna go on the inside.
And that, guys, concludes this Shawn Mendes inspired plastic mask, half mask on the face using optical illusion makeup. I had so much fun with this. It took me 6 hours to
Ooh. Wait, how she pose?
do. And then at the Halloween party, you could be like, someone please help my mask. I want to thank you so much for watching day 3 of Halloween. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please
Someone, please help my mask. Yeah, so this is my mask. This is what I would wear to a Halloween party. It looks great. You know, Nikki is such a great teacher. She teaches very, very slow, very thorough. I learned her 6-hour routine in like 20 minutes. So I mean, like 6 hours schmick showers, you know, you don't need that. You could literally just do this within 20 minutes like I did, and it's gonna turn out looking great. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys did, please give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is Our Florida Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures of amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love, support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Okay. What is this? Oh my god, Nikki. You did me dirty. Y'all, this is insane. I did such a shitty ass job. Oh my god, this is hilarious. This is a look. This is a look. This is definitely how I should go to Halloween parties, just like this. They ask, who did your makeup? I did. Who taught you? Nikkietutorials, her 6-hour routine in 20 minutes. Move over, Nikki. You have a new beauty guru taking your spot right here. It's Ali Tutorials. Oh my god. This is pathetic. I bet you a 5-year-old could do better with makeup than I can on this one. Oh yeah, no, I was not ready for this.